Welcome! Today, we're diving into the world of portfolios. Whether you're a student, a job seeker, or a creative professional, having a portfolio can make a huge difference. But what exactly is a portfolio? In simple terms, it's a curated collection of your best work, achievements, and skills. Think of it as your personal showcase, designed to highlight your abilities and experiences. Portfolios are used in many fields, from art and design to business and technology. In this video, we'll break down what a portfolio is, why it matters, and how you can create one step by step. Let's get started on building your own impressive portfolio. A portfolio is more than just a folder of your work. It's a carefully organized collection that tells your story. It can include samples of your projects, certificates, awards, and even testimonials from others. The main goal is to present your skills and achievements in a way that's easy for others to understand. Portfolios are often used when applying for jobs, internships, or educational programs. They help you stand out by providing concrete evidence of what you can do. In the next scenes, we'll explore the different types of portfolios and how you can decide which one suits your needs best. There isn't just one kind of portfolio. Depending on your field and goals, you might need a different type. For example, an artist might create a visual portfolio with images of their artwork, while a writer could compile their best articles or stories. Business professionals might include case studies, presentations, or reports. There are also digital portfolios, which are websites or online documents, and physical portfolios, which are printed and organized in folders or binders. Understanding the type of portfolio you need is the first step to making one that truly represents you. You might wonder, why go through the effort of making a portfolio? The answer is simple. Portfolios help you stand out. They provide proof of your abilities and give you a competitive edge. When employers or schools review your portfolio, they see real examples of your work, not just a list of skills on a resume. This can make your application much stronger. Portfolios also help you reflect on your growth and achievements, boosting your confidence. In the next scene, we'll look at what you should include in your portfolio. A strong portfolio usually contains several key components. First, an introduction or personal statement that explains who you are and what you do. Next, samples of your best work. These should be relevant to your goals. You might also include a resume or CV, certificates, awards, and any feedback or testimonials you've received. Organize everything clearly so it's easy for someone to navigate. Remember, quality is more important than quantity. Choose pieces that best represent your skills and achievements. Start your portfolio with a personal statement. This is a brief introduction about yourself, your background, and your goals. It sets the tone for the rest of your portfolio and gives viewers a sense of who you are. Keep it concise and focused, highlighting your strengths and what you hope to achieve. A well-written personal statement can make a strong first impression and encourage people to look deeper into your work. The heart of your portfolio is the work you choose to showcase. Select pieces that demonstrate your skills and growth. For each sample, provide a short description explaining the context, your role, and the outcome. This helps viewers understand your process and the value you bring. If possible, include a variety of work to show your versatility. Remember, it's better to have a few high-quality examples than many average ones. Adding your resume or CV to your portfolio gives viewers a quick overview of your education, experience, and skills. Make sure your resume is up to date and tailored to your goals. Place it near the beginning of your portfolio, so it's easy to find. You can also highlight key achievements or skills that are relevant to the work samples you include. This helps create a cohesive story about your professional journey. If you have earned any certificates or awards, be sure to include them in your portfolio. These items provide extra credibility and show your commitment to learning and excellence. Arrange them in a section that's easy to navigate and add brief explanations if needed. This can help viewers understand the significance of each achievement and how it relates to your goals. Positive feedback from teachers, clients, or colleagues can add a lot of value to your portfolio. Testimonials show that others recognize your skills and work ethic. Include a few short quotes or letters, and mention who they're from. This builds trust and gives your portfolio a personal touch. Make sure to ask for permission before sharing someone's feedback publicly. Organization is key to a successful portfolio. Arrange your materials in a logical order, starting with your introduction and resume, followed by your work samples, certificates, and testimonials. Use clear headings and sections to make navigation easy. If you're creating a digital portfolio, consider adding a table of contents or navigation menu. A well-organized portfolio is easier to review and leaves a positive impression. Decide whether you want a digital or physical portfolio. Digital portfolios are great for sharing online and can include multimedia elements like videos or interactive links. Physical portfolios are useful for in-person interviews or presentations. Choose the format that best fits your field and how you plan to use your portfolio. Sometimes, having both options is the best approach. There are many platforms you can use to create a digital portfolio. Popular options include personal websites, LinkedIn, Behance, and online portfolio builders like Wix or Squarespace. Each platform has its own features and advantages. Choose one that matches your needs and is easy for you to update. Make sure your portfolio is accessible and looks professional on both computers and mobile devices. If you're making a physical portfolio, use a high-quality binder or folder. Print your materials on good paper and use clear dividers for each section. Make sure everything is neat, clean, and easy to read. You might also want to include business cards or a printed copy of your resume. A well-prepared physical portfolio can make a strong impression during interviews or presentations. Before you start building your portfolio, gather all the materials you want to include. This might be digital files, printed documents, certificates, or images of your work. Review each item and select only the best examples. Organizing your materials ahead of time will make the assembly process much smoother and help you create a more focused portfolio. When choosing what to include, focus on quality over quantity. Pick work that best represents your skills and aligns with your goals. If you're applying for a specific job or program, tailor your selections to match what they're looking for. Don't be afraid to leave out older or less relevant pieces. Your portfolio should tell a clear story about your abilities and growth. For each piece you include, write a brief description. Explain the context, your role, and the outcome. This helps viewers understand your thought process and the skills you used. Keep descriptions clear and concise, focusing on what makes each piece special. Well-written descriptions can make your portfolio much more engaging and informative. Visuals can make your portfolio more attractive and easier to understand. Include images, charts, or screenshots of your work where appropriate. Make sure visuals are high quality and relevant to the content. If you're using a digital portfolio, you can also add videos or interactive elements. Good visuals help your portfolio stand out and keep viewers interested. A portfolio isn't something you make once and forget about. Update it regularly with new work, achievements, and experiences. This shows that you're active and always improving. Set a reminder to review your portfolio every few months, especially before applying for new opportunities. Keeping your portfolio current ensures it always reflects your best self. Every job or program is different, so it's important to tailor your portfolio for each opportunity. Highlight the work and skills that are most relevant to the position or school you're applying to. You might rearrange sections or swap out samples to better match what the reviewer is looking for. Customizing your portfolio shows that you've done your research and are serious about the opportunity. The design and layout of your portfolio matter just as much as the content. Use a clean, professional design that's easy to read. Choose fonts, colors, and layouts that reflect your personal style but don't distract from your work. Consistency is key. Use the same formatting throughout your portfolio. A well-designed portfolio makes a strong visual impact. If you're not confident in your design skills, consider using templates. Many digital portfolio platforms offer professional templates that you can customize. Templates help you create a polished look without needing graphic design experience. Just make sure to personalize the template so your portfolio doesn't look generic. The goal is to make your work shine. Before you share your portfolio, proofread everything carefully. Check for spelling and grammar mistakes, and make sure all information is accurate. Ask a friend or mentor to review your portfolio and give feedback. Editing helps you catch small errors and ensures your portfolio looks professional. A polished portfolio shows attention to detail. Feedback is essential for improvement. Share your portfolio with trusted friends, mentors, or colleagues and ask for their honest opinions. They might spot things you missed or suggest ways to make your portfolio stronger. Be open to constructive criticism and use it to refine your work. The more feedback you get, the better your portfolio will become. Once your portfolio is ready, it's time to share it. For digital portfolios, send the link to potential employers, schools, or clients. You can also include the link in your email signature or on your resume. For physical portfolios, bring them to interviews or networking events. Make sure your portfolio is easy to access and share so you never miss an opportunity. During interviews, your portfolio can be a powerful tool. Use it to illustrate your answers and provide real examples of your skills. Walk interviewers through your best work, explaining your process and the results you achieved. This makes your experience more tangible and memorable. A well-prepared portfolio can help you stand out and leave a lasting impression. A portfolio isn't just for job applications, it's also a great networking tool. Share it with people you meet at events, workshops, or online communities. Your portfolio can spark conversations and open doors to new opportunities. Always have a digital version ready to share, and consider printing a few business cards with your portfolio link. Having an online portfolio boosts your professional presence. It makes it easier for employers, clients, or collaborators to find you and learn about your work. Make sure your online portfolio is easy to navigate and includes your contact information. Keep your profiles on platforms like LinkedIn or Behance up to date and consistent with your main portfolio. If you're sharing original work, it's important to protect your intellectual property. For digital portfolios, consider watermarking images or using low-resolution versions. You can also include copyright notices or terms of use. If you're concerned about privacy, only share your portfolio with trusted contacts or use password protection. Protecting your work ensures you get credit for your achievements. If you're a student, a portfolio can help you apply for schools, scholarships, or internships. Include your best projects, grades, extracurricular activities, and any awards. Ask teachers for recommendations or feedback to include. A student portfolio shows your growth and potential, making you a stronger candidate for future opportunities. Job seekers can use portfolios to showcase their experience and skills. Include work samples, resumes, and references. Tailor your portfolio to the industry and job you're applying for. Highlight achievements that match the job description. A strong portfolio can help you stand out from other candidates and land your dream job. For artists, designers, writers, and other creatives, a portfolio is essential. Include high-quality images or samples of your work and organize them by project or style. Add descriptions that explain your creative process and inspiration. A creative portfolio should reflect your unique style and personality, helping you attract clients or collaborators. Business professionals can use portfolios to showcase case studies, presentations, reports, and achievements. Include metrics and results to demonstrate your impact. Organize your portfolio by project or skill area and add brief explanations for each item. This helps potential employers or clients see the value you bring to the table. If you work in technology, your portfolio might include code samples, project documentation, or links to live projects. Use screenshots, diagrams, or videos to showcase your work. Explain your role in each project and the technologies you used. A tech portfolio demonstrates your technical skills and problem-solving abilities. Educators can use portfolios to highlight lesson plans, teaching materials, student feedback, and professional development. Include examples of student work and any awards or certifications. Organize your portfolio by subject or grade level. A teaching portfolio demonstrates your expertise and commitment to education. Freelancers can use portfolios to attract new clients and showcase completed projects. Include client testimonials, project summaries, and links to your work. Highlight your range of skills and the results you've delivered. A freelancer's portfolio should be easy to update and share, helping you win more business. If you're changing careers, your portfolio can help bridge the gap between your past experience and your new goals. Include transferable skills, relevant projects, and any new training or certifications. Explain how your previous experience prepares you for your new path. A well-crafted portfolio can help you make a strong case for your career change. Entrepreneurs can use portfolios to present business plans, product designs, marketing materials, and success stories. Include metrics that show growth and impact. Organize your portfolio by project or business area. A strong entrepreneurial portfolio can help you attract investors, partners, or clients. When creating a portfolio, avoid common mistakes like including too much content, using poor design, or failing to update your work. Don't forget to proofread and organize your materials clearly. Avoid generic templates that don't reflect your personality. By steering clear of these pitfalls, you'll create a portfolio that truly stands out. Maintaining your portfolio is just as important as creating it. Set a schedule to review and update your portfolio every few months. Remove outdated work and add new achievements. Regular maintenance keeps your portfolio fresh and relevant, ensuring you're always ready for new opportunities. Many people have landed jobs, clients, or scholarships thanks to a strong portfolio. Success stories show how a well-crafted portfolio can open doors and create new opportunities. Take inspiration from others, but remember to make your portfolio unique to you. Your story could be the next success. Before you finish, use a checklist to make sure your portfolio is complete. Did you include a personal statement, resume, work samples, certificates, and testimonials? Is everything organized and easy to navigate? Have you proofread and updated your materials? A checklist helps you catch anything you might have missed and ensures your portfolio is ready to share. At its core, a portfolio is a strategic tool for personal and professional growth. It's more than a collection of work. It's a reflection of your journey, skills, and ambitions. By thoughtfully curating your portfolio, you communicate your value and potential to the world. Remember, your portfolio is always evolving, just like you. Ready to start your portfolio journey? Begin by gathering your best work and outlining your goals. Choose a format that fits your needs, and start building section by section. Remember, your first version doesn't have to be perfect. The most important step is to begin. Over time, you'll refine and improve your portfolio, making it a powerful tool for your future. Congratulations! You now know what a portfolio is and how to make one. Remember, your portfolio is a living document that grows with you. Keep it updated, showcase your best work, and use it to open new doors. With dedication and creativity, your portfolio can help you achieve your goals and reach new heights. Good luck on your journey.